Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about left outer join in DBMS, that is Database Management System. So what we will learn today, what is left outer join, and we'll see one example on left outer join. So what is left outer join? It is also known as left join. Suppose we want to join two tables A and B. So left outer join will return all the rows from left table A and all the matching rows found in right table B. And the result of left outer join always contains the rows in left table. All the records of left table will be returned and only the matching rows of right table will be written. Need to use on keyword. You have to use while writing the query on keyword. And null is used for missing counterpart rows. If any field is missing, then you have to use null over there. So now we'll see the example of left outer join with the Venn diagram first, and then we'll go to query and table example. So now this is a left table, suppose table A. So it will return all the values of this table and only the matching values from the right table. So whichever part is matching no in both the tables A and B, that also it will return. So this part is a matching part. Okay, that is common between both the tables A and B, and all the rows of or all the records of table A will be written and only the matching rows from the B table will be written. So this part is not taken in left outer join. So now we'll see one example on left outer join. So now this is a table 1 and table 1 contains two columns, roll number and class. So roll number has 4 records, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the class column also has 4 records, FIA, FIB, FIC, FID. Now this is table 2 is a right table, table 1 is a left table and table 2 is a right table. Now table 2 has 3 columns, roll number, student name and student address. So roll number 1, 2, 3. Student name is Rakesh, Suresh, Tina, and student address is Panjim, Margaon and Mapsa. So now suppose I want to find the roll number, class, student name, student address from table 1, left outer join table 2. See, on keyword is used. We have to use on keyword when we use left outer join. On table 1 roll number equal to table 2 roll number. Now this is a common field. I already told during the introduction video of joins that when you do the joining of two tables, there has to be one common field or common column between both the tables, and the common column in table 1 and table 2 is roll number. You can see over here there is a roll number column in table 1 also, and there is a roll number column in table 2 also. So based on this roll number column, both the tables are joined. So this condition has to be there in the when you use the join. Okay, so table 1 dot roll number equal to table 2 dot roll number. So when this roll numbers matches, only the match rows from the right table will be written. Okay, and all the rows from the left table will be written. So we have to select the roll number, class, student name and student address. So in table 3, see, this is the output table. In this table, roll number is there. Okay, then we have a class, then we have a student name, and lastly we'll have a student address. So whatever you are selecting no here in the query, that has to be written in the final output table. Since it is a left outer join, all the records from the left table, that is table 1, will be written in the final output table. So here roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and class FIA, FIB, FIC, FID, all the records will be written. See, all the records of table 1 are written over here. Now table 2, this right table, only the matched records with the table 1 will be written. For example, now see the roll number in table 1, there is a roll number 1. Now see the roll number in table 2, there is a roll number 1 in table 2 also. So roll numbers are matching. So common column field is matching in both the tables. So this record will be written. Rakesh and Panji will be written in the output table. Same way, roll number 2 is there in the table 2 and roll number 2 is there in table 1 also. So here also roll numbers are matching. So again, since it is a matching, so matched records will be written from the table 2. That is Suresh Margaon will be written in the output table. Similarly, table 1 roll number 3, here also table 2 roll number 3 is there. So again the roll numbers are matching from the table 1 and table 2. Common field is matching. So Tina and Mapsa will be written. from the right table because the records from the right table are matching. So match rows from the right table are written in the output table because we need student name and student address. Now see over here, table 1 there is a roll number 4, but in table 2 there is no roll number 4. There is no entry only for roll number 4 in table 2. So obviously there is no match. Here there is a roll number 4, but here there is no roll number 4. So in this case, what will happen? Since it is a left outer join, we know all the entries from table 1 will be written in the output table. Okay, so 4 FID from the table 1 will be there only in the table 3. That is in your output table because it is a left outer join. But what will happen to student name and student address? That entry won't come only over here. There is no matched row of table 2 with the table 1 because 4 roll number is not there only in the table 2. So in this case table 3 so in this case in the output table for student name and student address null will come. Null keyword is put up in missing counterpart rows. So this is only called as left outer join. All the entries as it is. See table 1 whatever was there entire table 1 is copied over here in table 3. Okay. But table 2 all the entries are not copied. Okay. Only the matching entries are there and remaining places the null will come. So the query we write for left outer join is always like this. Select, then you have to write the column names over here, or you can write a star. Star indicates what? It will return all the columns from table 1 and table 2. So table 1 left outer join table 2 on table 1 dot roll number equal to table 2 dot roll number. So this way the left outer join is implemented. So this was all about left outer join in DBMS. Thank you.